All right, y'all. So today we got a different little POV drive. People been telling me to try this out, do the inside with the wide lens. So it's the inside POV drive of what's going on. So first things first, safety first. So I'm gonna do a little driving right now. I ain't even gonna have no music on, so we just gonna listen to the engine rumble. Hope y'all strapped in. Hold on, let me put y'all seatbelt on too. All right, we good. I'll strap y'all in with us. Shades right there. I don't know if we're gonna have any wind noise, not like that going on, but yeah. So put like this. I guess when I record, when I edit the video, I'm gonna put some music on over it, so. We was going over a bump, so we was losing traction. But yeah, let me go and cut that. You know what? Fuck that shit. Like I said, we gonna have some music playing over this stuff like this. Hey, they bald. They got somebody going over the thing. Oh, they bald. He had a minivan going around the train track. I just seen my mom's pass by, so I gotta turn around. Yo, what's up with this train track down here? Somebody playing with the train tracks, I see. Ooh, phone almost fell. Somebody messing with the train tracks, so they testing it out. Look, it's going back down again. We ain't coming back down this way. engine and stuff. And I don't know. It depends. I might pull a little music over here to avoid copyright. I was finna go over Manchu's house.
Ain't nobody out there.
Wow.
We rode through there. Nobody out.
You know them?
Like that, you answer the phone.
You know, the other place I ride to is out the Edward house.
I'm gonna go eat out.
Oh, okay, that's where we going. Well, that's where y'all going.
That's where I was going. That's where she's going.
Oh, so you just dropping Maya off at the crib?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Did she get in the car with you?
I don't know about that.
You at home? No, take me. Oh, take me home. Nigga,
Right, you can get out.
Right. I'm gonna pull back out.
Man, I'm telling you, I might be out all day, and I don't feel like going, you know, coming back. I might not come back home tonight.
You don't want to go see how to be bored? I don't want to be bored now.
She better call. Drop one more at. You drop you off at Mo house then.
There you go. I don't got no gas.
I gotta put some gas in the car anyway.
Well, I'm probably using gas station.
What you mean following me? You think I'm finna put gas in both of the cars we riding around?
I ain't riding around.
Hell no.
I ain't riding around.
No, there you go. Y'all almost thought I'm finna some type of ATM machine. Look at this nigga right here. You ain't know the whole entire time I was recording, huh?
I don't care. I don't ask you for money, sir.
What's wrong with him, fam?
I'm not even asking for it.
What's wrong with him, fam?
You gonna give me $20?
No! That's what I'm asking.
Why you just gonna give me
Dang. I'll have to holler at y'all later, man.